Hi guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So today's video has been quite requested, like so requested, like almost mere every recent food video ke niche there are people commenting to black food challenge, for 24 hours. So you requested it, so I have to make it. So today मैं करने वाली हूँ I eat black colored food for 24 hours. Super difficult, I must say. And of course I am dressed in black for the challenge. So yeah, let's go and get the saman. Chocolate brown. There's no Hershey syrup. Hi guys, so I'm back and finally my breakfast is ready. My soup is here and it's super duper black. Morning soup with lots of soy sauce. I don't know, man. Tastes good. Tastes exactly like mancha soup. ऐसे लग रहा नहीं है. It's overloaded with soy sauce. But मुझे ज़्यादा soy sauce डालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी because the soup itself was like really dark brown. And to get that perfect black color, I added in like you can say 1.5 spoon of soy sauce. And now it's jet black, like really black. And for coffee, I have my black coffee. And having black coffee in the morning is like a cakewalk for me because मैं green tea और black coffee almost every day पी ही लेती हूँ. So it's not a task. Like this was like really easy for me. Now I'm gonna have my breakfast and side by side do some work or watch some Netflix and stuff. So yeah. So guys, मेरा breakfast तो हो गया है. अभी as usual I'm gonna go and get started with my work and मैं आप लोगों को lunch के लिए मिलूँगी. So for lunch I thought paneer ki sabji was made at home. I'll add like a lot of soy sauce. It will turn black. I tried so hard to make it black and even after so much of adding soy sauce it still turned dark brown. So eating this sabji for lunch was a flop and I had to think of something else. So lunch को थोड़ा time लग रहा है बनने में. And subah to I had just the soup, so I'm feeling very hungry. So I've got this cake right here which is pretty dark in color. It's black. it's all melted and looks like a mess अभी क्योंकि मैंने उसको microwave किया है. This was the most darkest looking cake that I could find. Like very close to it, actually looks pretty black only to me. So I'm having this. छोटा सा piece लिया है. Oh my god. Cake microwave करके it feels like the best. Who else microwaves the cake and has it? Comment below. And if you've never tried this way, try it and you will never go back to having cake the normal way. So I have shamelessly put all the sweet and fats and sugar in my stomach because it was so damn good and I'm so hungry अभी. पता नहीं खाना कब ready होगा और when will I get to eat it. But yeah, pretty hungry. अभी थोड़ा better लग रहा है. Now let's wait for lunch and see what's there. Hi guys.
This is very bad. No, this should not come, Shakshi, please.
It's lunchtime. My brother was just monkeying around in the background.
No, again.
What will I get if I won't put that clip? What are you gonna bribe me with, brother?
Posting it, you know.
What do you want? Like, what will I get if I don't put that image of yours, video of yours on YouTube? What?
I'll be very nice to you. I'll shoot videos for you whenever you don't have anybody to shoot with. Whenever you're bored, I'll come and entertain you.
Cool, works.
No, you're not posting that.
Let's see. Okay guys, so finally my dal is ready. It's like super late. It's like 4:45 right now. My mom took a lot of time to cook this dal. This is udad dal and finally here, which is why I had the cake in between because I was hungry. It's yummy. I don't know if they can see, but it's all black, completely black.
I'm fine.
It tastes good.
I know. मेरा कितने साल से होटल बना रहा हूँ मुझे ही पता है.
Okay guys, I did it. It's really good. I really like this dal. Actually, मैं बहुत मस्त था. Now I'll chill with my cuz and I'll catch you guys whenever I'm eating my black food next. Hi guys, so right now it's evening time and it's 7. So I've got a couple of snacks to munch on. So everyone, whoever has done the black food challenge has been like Oreo. So I was like Oreo नहीं करना है. So I've got Milano dark chocolate cookies and it's like legit black, at least on the package. Then I've got the black bourbon, which is black from the outside. Then I've got Fatafat. Who else loved Fatafat or loves Fatafat? This is like, I used to binge on this a lot when I was like a kid. So let's have this.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
This is yum. All black. Do you like Fatafat?
My mother likes it.
Come in the camera and do something entertaining. Please,
yeah.
now make my video fun now.
Some other day.
Okay, guys. So now it's all during dinner. Hi guys. So we're out for dinner and we called for the black burger. So here it is. I'll show you all how it looks. It looks so fun. Black. It's yum. Jalapenos, sauces and fried chicken and stuff. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I'm sorry I forgot to end the video of the Black Fruits challenge. I don't know, I just got home and I was very tired and I think I forgot to give an outro. So it's the next day and today I'm giving the outro. So thank you so much for watching my video. And in case you guys are wondering that I'm in red, so this is the day when I'm shooting the red food challenge. So stay tuned. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon. Comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this video. Stay tuned for the red challenge video as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.